If you're trying to get more messages on WhatsApp directly from your Instagram profile, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a WhatsApp link in Instagram so people can contact you instantly with just one tap. In Instagram, we will add a clickable WhatsApp link like this. First, open up your WhatsApp to get your chat link. Tap on these three dots here in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap here. Press on this share icon. Tap here to copy your profile link. Then open up your Instagram app. Go to your profile. Press here on Edit Profile. Add link. Press on Add link. Here, paste that link we were copied from our WhatsApp. Remove this extra part. Below, give your link title. And press on this tick icon to save changes. Now anyone will click on this link, it will redirect to the WhatsApp chat. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.